right, so this is the Icy Breeze cord. It's already plugged in over there with the 12 volt. It goes in this power port right here, right? All right, you got to make sure this little red light's on. It wasn't plugged in all the way. And then you can hear this running, right? So you hear it running. There's a vent right here that you can point at your head. You see, it's blowing the air there. Blow more air. You see? Or you can take this out and point it anywhere you want. This pops out right here. It's hard to do with one hand. Pops out anyway. Pops out. Turn this off. What you do is you fill this up with ice, as much ice as you want, at least one bag, and then the water line goes to about right there. That way it sucks water in here and expels it here. Ice cold water goes up through this heat exchange, chills down the metal, and then the air gets sucked through those metal grates and it chills the air down. So air comes out of here like 36 degrees. Nice and cold, and it will keep you cool all night long.